Hi, welcome to our channel.
So I've been thinking about if I want to buy the Beyond Meat stock. So Beyond Meat is a company that only produce plant-based products. They cooperated with some big fast food restaurants like McDonald's. In Taiwan, what we can find is MOS burger. It's quite expensive to just buy their patties. In Taiwan, we buy it for 299 new Taiwanese dollars. Well, in America, I think it's $8.99 or $9.99 USD for the exact same product. The fast food place like MOS Burger in Taiwan, it's $180 for one burger and maybe also fries and like the whole set. I'm not sure how much it is in America. Well, the thing is, if I want to invest to buy the stock of this company, we have to know that if it's really worth it. So the Beyond Meat forward PE ratio is so much higher than Facebook and Amazon. That's like, wow. This is also the reason that makes people have reservations about this company. However, we are going to MOS Burger in Taiwan to go try it out. We're also making it at home. We'll see how it goes. So we ordered 2 different burgers from Beyond Meat, each with a set. The total is $595. I just asked, it is 180 new Taiwanese dollars for one burger, like without fries and drinks. And it's from a fast food place. I mean, like it's 10 Aussie. I don't know about that. It's so hot here.
It's like the view.
Change our seat. It's too hot.
Yeah, well, it's not like a fast food place, really. I mean, it's a healthy fast food place. It's a bit more than just a fast food place. It is, it's obvious it is. I don't like it that much. Maybe a meat eater would like it.
I'm gonna eat mine. Whenever you come to Taiwan, you gotta do it after you eat and stuff. Gotta clean up. That's what we do in Taiwan, especially at a fast food place. If you don't do it, oh, that's barbaric.
So we went to MOS Burger to try the Beyond Meat patty.
Yeah, they didn't cook it too much.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like red.
It's 7.
It's supposed to be like red on the inside, which is okay. It was different than we cooked it,
Yeah.
and it was okay.
You didn't like it when you were there.
I don't like it that much. I didn't. Well, it was okay. Like, it just wasn't anything that great. I mean, maybe they could have prepared the burger better, but it just wasn't that great.
And it's so expensive, eh? It's actually like American price.
The price is a bit high for the quality of the taste, in my opinion. Well, I mean, if you went to Burger King in America, it's going to be cheaper than that. It is.
True.
I mean, I'm happy to have a mushroom burger or a tofu burger instead of that any day.
True. Would you recommend the vegetarian friends to have it?
Yeah, it's worth trying. No?
It doesn't worth the price.
I don't think it's that much different than like a normal veggie burger you get.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Does it taste like meat?
Don't really
I
know
don't-
what meat tastes like.
Okay, so this is basically a product that they don't have to make it too good because the vegetarians don't remember what meat tastes like.
No, I'd have it again, but I wouldn't have it very often because it's too
So,
expensive.
do you think this company will grow? Do you think it's worth to buy its stock?
Maybe they will be able to reduce the price.
So in the end of the day, we ate that burger and I got really bad sore throat. Well, I personally think that it doesn't taste that well. The texture is good, but it could be improved. Also, we need to think about like in the future, maybe there will be more companies will be growing up really quickly in a few years. By that time, the Beyond Meat company could face very competitive environment and it could cause the company stop growing because it's too competitive. Thank you for watching my video and we'll see you next time.